have some lobster. This is a live lobster. Look at it. I said so. Just add it to the menu. But we're gonna keep that for last because that's like something that's easily done. He's been trying to get away ever since he's been here. But you just gonna sit there for a moment. Normally, you know, you need to boil peas and soak the peas and everything like that, but for this, I don't need to do that right now. So, with that being said, I'm just gonna cut the peas. If I can cut this piece. All right, here we go. Water and the peas start boiling. It's good. The peas is cooked already. We are working smart, not hard. Cut some onions, not even onions, some scallions. Put inside there. We washed it already. So we're just gonna do this. Just like this. Just this. Put it inside there. And greased coconut powder. Right? I'm gonna add a little bit of oil in this. When I'm cooking stewed chicken or anything that's like meat, I don't like to put this herbs and everything in one with the meat because I like the meat to like be partially cooked first before I put in everything else. In that way, the herbs are just cooked just right, not like overcooked. Texture. And these have been seasoned from overnight, so they're well marinated. Everything is soaked inside of it. So that's good. I'm gonna take off these. Now I'm gonna add some sugar to caramelize in that pot. Yeah, that's hot. As soon as that sugar is melted, I'm gonna... Oh, the pot is too hot. Turn the vacuum all the way up. Can't be too careful with this temperature of these pots. Yeah, the sugar is melted now, but the oil is a little bit too hot. Alright, that looks like it now. Cover that right away. Ooh, look at that heat. Whoa, that's hot. That's hot. So we're gonna push that bad boy right up in there. Set the timer now. Timer. Gonna give it like 30 minutes. Let's say 20 minutes first. Things and time have changed. Nothing is really that difficult again like before. Alright. That's good enough. That is good enough. So gonna give it a little stir. Let all of that peas absorb the flavor and everything. Alright. So stir it up. And listen, I have learned how to cook like the sequence of how to cook the perfect rice. Like if you have 3 cups of rice, you need 2.5 cups of water or 3 cups of water depending on the rice. Or if you doubt the rice, if you feel like it's too hard, you just let it soak in the water for a bit, like 20 minutes or so. Right, cover the lid. Turn the stove down. As soon as that's dissolved and everything, then I'm gonna add this to the washed rice and drop it in the rice cooker. Let's have a look at the chicken, see what's going on. Alright. So chicken is getting some color from the sugar that I caramelized. And listen, we don't need any rush, so we're just gonna slow cook that down there. because the pork is in the oven. This is here. I'm gonna make the coleslaw after this. Wash the rice. Peas is here. Take off the lid. That's cooked. Oh man, that smells so nice. That's rich. So this is like 4 cups of rice right here I have there. Just gonna pour this on it. All right. Add a cup of water inside. 1 cup of water inside the rice cooker. Press the button. Cover it. And I don't even need to check it. You can see carrots, cabbage, some sweet corn, and some raisins. That's what we're gonna use. So these, this, and I was gonna add some sweet pepper, but no, I changed my mind from that. I'm not gonna add the sweet pepper inside. So that's there. That's there. Just cut these first. Just clean these up and put them aside. Get them out of the way. Wash stuff goes there. That goes there. For the carrot, you know, carrot shows a lot when you put it in anything, so this amount is good. That amount of the carrot is good. A lot of people do carrot differently, but listen, what I do is just wash it off, scrape it off. Easy as that. Alright. Actually, I don't need to put this there because I have a thing in the drain to hold the food waste from going inside. See? There we go. That's good. Time for the cabbage. So first thing first. Take off the outer layer of the cabbage. These are the tired leaves. They need to be retired. That's off. I don't know about anyone else, but man, I love carrots. Well, I'm gonna cut the cabbage in 2. That's just gonna make it cut easy, to grate it easier. You can shred the cabbage with a knife as well. That's one thing I do sometimes. But sometimes you can just grate it as well. Alright, in this case, let's just shake it all over there. See what's going on with that. Alright. That needs a sauce now to get some color. There it is now. Nice. So and work the rest of the magic. So next thing on the menu, piece of steak for the lady. So we got some little bit of salt, a little bit of salt. Okay. Stop. Piece of butter. side there. It's done?
你要用早就炒吗？
Huh?
不是才4点吗？5点。然后现在就煎了。
Yeah. 4:30 now. Eh. Well done. Okay. Chicken is nice. Yeah, this is steak from mommy. Mother's Day, so extra treatment, extra special treatment today. Yeah? There you have it. Well done. Alright, let's put this aside. Alright, let's get back to the coleslaw now. Let's finish it up. Raisins. Okay, I know you like raisins, so I'm telling you. It's grape technically, just dried grape, fermented. Okay. These boys love raisins so much. What this? Okay, that's a mayo. So I'm gonna add some corn in the coleslaw. Not yet, soon. Soon. Oh, here's some water that needs to pour off. We don't want the water inside there. We need corn, not water. Like about half if we can. I'm not even gonna add it anymore, to be honest. Just gonna cover this, put it in the fridge. Gotta over it. Seal it off. Check the chicken now. Chicken should be getting onto gravy. Yeah, that's good now. So we have reached to the final lap. And it's time for Mr. Lobster. It's time now. Alright, first thing first, listen. Let me turn off the vacuum. When you have the lobster, ensure that your knife is sharp. But you know what? My knife is not sharp. So let me show you one technique. So what you do is just literally get 2 knives. Then you do that. Alright, that's there. Wipe them off because you don't want to eat those stuff from those. Alright, first thing first. When you're gonna cut a lobster, I have a scissors, so let me get my big scissors. So the thing is, this scissors, a lot of people use these scissors to do it. You can cut, alright? But what I like to do is, this is just my preference. You go inside here. So this, he's gonna flip it. Give me a moment. There it is. Like that. You get him down. No one suffers. There it is. Yeah. Just like that. Right? You need to clean it. See those stuff running out? You need to wash those out and clean it. So.
Are you finished cooking?
From what?
I said, are you finished cooking?
Can you eat this raw?
No.
Okay. So
I think where's the rice?
it's in the rice
What rice
cooker.
is it today? Jamaican rice or Taiwan rice?
Jamaican rice.
Jamaican rice?
Yeah.
I think so.
There you go.
What's inside? I want to
Wait.
see what's inside the lobster. So I can water.
Whoa. Let's get that washed out. How?
You say out?
See, the lobster is very big. Look at it. Look at the claw.
Those claws are very big and sharp.
Yeah, imagine he bites you with that. If he bites you, that's gonna be.
Why are you taking off the other bit?
Because he's not. He's out now. So I don't know. Okay, so make it simple. Jamaican season. Can't go wrong with that.
I'm the only one who likes.
It's good enough. Okay, let's check the temperature. There we go. Vacuum on. Lobster in the pot. Whoa. Oil is splashing everywhere. But today's a big cooking, we don't care. We're gonna clean later anyways. Claws right there. That one right there. Thyme leaf right there. Garlic inside of there. Lots of garlic. Okay, the heat is getting to it. See the claws opening? That is it. See the color of the lobster now? That's it. Man, that taste is amazing. Never get tired of the lobster. Oh. That's hot. Sizzling. I'm not eating anything. Alright, there we go. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, that's nice. Nice. Steak is here. Nice. Lobster is ready. Pork chops is ready. Chicken is ready. Steak is ready. Rice and peas steady ready. So this is the Mother's Day dinner.